Hey guys, how's going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and this is the third video tutorial on object-oriented programming with Python, that is OOP in Python. So, if you don't have the concept of OOP or object-oriented programming, you can definitely check my two videos before if you haven't learned Python yet. If you are new to Python, there are lots of video in my channel about Python programming. I have uploaded many Pythonic videos. You can check it out and learn some basics and come to advanced. So in this one, we're going to know about classes and objects. So what are classes? You have probably had learned that this is like classes versus objects. So what is that? We will discuss. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. So without getting more time, let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's create a class. That is main important. I am saying from the first video. Class, let's suppose that object. Okay. And inside this we will initialize a method, that is init self. Okay, let's name it self.name is equal to name. So over here, let's do Kovid equals object Kovid. Okay, so when I print out Kovid.name, what happens is it prints Kovid. You can see here. And what is the object? So I'm not talking about this class object, but the object is the variable. You might know about variable. If you don't have the knowledge, go and check it out my previous videos. What is variable? Those who store some constant. So this constant is a class, isn't it? So variable that stores constant in a class, that is the object. So in this case, Kovid is the object. And what if I do is and self.is is equal to is, and when I do like is equals object and okay Kovid and comma my age, and over here let's suppose that 0.9 4 it's 4-month old. And when I print out is.name or name or is.age, so what happens is this is becomes a object, but this is still. So let's make it is to make you completely clear what is going on. So this is argument, but a method in argument inside method is not called argument. Okay, so here we have two parameters, and this is parameter and is the object. So when I print out this Kovid and Kovid. So hope you guys have learned something about object-oriented programming and known about object and classes. What are objects and what are classes? So this was for today, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.